How to perform bulk enrichment from Sales Navigator with SalesQL. Start by performing a search in LinkedIn Sales Navigator, such as Java Specialist. Click on the SalesQL badge in your browser to open the extension. Choose a folder in SalesQL where you want to save the contacts. If needed, create a new folder and name it accordingly. You can manually select specific contacts and click Reveal and Add. To select all contacts on a page, scroll down until you see 25 contacts. Click the checkbox at the top to select all, and then click Reveal and Add. If you're working with Sales Navigator lists or groups, you can follow the same process to enrich contacts. To view your added contacts, click on the three-dot menu and select Current Work folder. Inside the folder, you'll find enriched details such as emails, phone numbers, and other relevant information. From there, you will be able to export your contacts as a CSV file for easy management, or seamlessly integrate them with your CRM to enhance your workflow. Thank you for watching this tutorial on performing bulk enrichment using SalesQL.